In this video, we're going to take you through how to use Identity Cloak's full screen blur mode. We recommend using the full screen blur mode when you have a recording of a sensitive area. In the redaction working screen, on the right-hand panel at the bottom, you will see two checkboxes. Select the box labelled Full Screen Blur. At this point, if you do nothing and click Next, your whole video will be redacted. To make a section or a target identifiable, select Circle or Rectangle. Be aware that auto-tracking only works when you select Circle, and this will only show the person's head. Once you have selected your shape, and auto-tracking if you are using a circle, click New. If you are using a circle with auto-tracking, the video will now play frame by frame and track the person. If the video stops playing, it is due to Identity Cloak no longer being able to track your person. This could be as they have lowered their head down, so we can only see their hair with no identifiable facial features. All you need to do is click on their head again, and the auto-tracking will match up to the previous tracking. Once your clip has finished tracking the person, go to the right-hand panel and click Save. This will save the track for you. If you are using a rectangle, draw a box around the object at its starting point. If the object moves, you will need to do this for every frame of the video until the end point of the video. If your object is static, you can draw the box at the start of the video and then again at the end of the video, going back over the original box you have drawn. Once you have your start and end points, click Save. Now, click Next at the bottom of the main screen. This will then take you through to the second redaction working screen. Thank you for watching.